Jake.
Hey, Seth, how's it going?
Good?
You want to hit this?
No.
Alright. You ready for gym class?
Yep.
Alright, let's go.
Bet.
One, two, three.
Okay, Jake? Haven't you ever heard of smoker's cough?